Hindi ya icera ria minista wa mai Eric Muriithi kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ni kumbukite ati utheru wa mai bururi-ini urugameire gicunji-ini kia 32%, thirikari igitanya gukinyaniria utheru na gicunji kia 100% miaka 6 yukite.
Whenever there is a water project, we also do a sanitation project. It must have a sanitation component to improve our sanitation connectivity, because as of now we are around 32% nationally, and we are trying to raise this. We also, apart from the centralized sewer system like this one, we are encouraging people to have on-site sanitation facilities.
Akiaria hindi ya guthurima tabarira ya muigana wa ciringi milioni 500 ya gute mai ma giko mwena wa Itidoba Kutus kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, Muriithi augite ati aikari a mataoni ma kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni manjitie gwikirirwo mitambo ino ya gute mai ma giko kuma nyumba-ini ciao na niguo makorwo magikinyaniria utheru.
Toboria bete baciandikithie na ba ewe rutha ro connect kenda rukorwo ruma micie rujake treatment plant kare utumika boya ikumaanisha mbira thirikari ikitea karibu nusu bilioni hiyo milioni 500 itethera ciitumika bora kubatere na itukorwo bantu bonde ba area bahakikishe security treatment plant enjare cio mbere nya tukinyira our security officers.
Minister akiuga ati mihingere igigiriria ukinyaniria gwa kioneki giki ni kwaga kwa andu kwiyandikithia gwikirirwo mitambo ino ya gute giko na wici wa cuma uria ukoretwo ari muhinga munene. Akiuga ati ministry ni ikuhuthira njira ciothe na niguo ukinyaniria kioneki giki. Mwena-ini wa cionge cia ugitiri kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga ikiranira gukorwo muhari-ini wa mbere hari kurangira miaka yothe ya thirikari na niguo kugiririria wici wa cuma iria ciakite tabarira ici.
We want to assure total support.
Thank you.
And we want the officers manning the sewerage to work closely with us and share all the information. But first, before we come in, let them secure their area.
Ado-ini ha Inooro TV kuma Itidoba Kutus kaunti-ini ya Kirinyaga, njitagwo Boni Wathuku.